Hello, it's Friday the 12th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So you know how Chancellor Reeves has been banging on about this inherited mess pretty much since day one? Well, yesterday she piped up suggesting that growth is her top priority. And that's a little odd, rather an odd call to make given how growth has pretty much flatlined under her stewardship so far, and stagflation is still lurking in the background. Meanwhile, US pharma giant Merck axed their £1 billion expansion plans, scrapping plans for a King's Cross research hub. They say the government was not investing enough in the sector. The loss of 125 jobs is fairly small potatoes, but it is a kick in the spuds for Labour's dreams of growth. And losing out to the US is a bit frustrating, as it means that dear old Donald can claim his tariffs are bringing business back home to America. Drat and blast. Reeves also had a warning from the high street. The BRC fears up to 400 large stores could close if her proposed business rates surtax hits properties over £500,000. Such closures could axe over 100,000 jobs and further hollow out the high street, no doubt sending more trade to Amazon, and that won't exactly help tax receipts at the Treasury, will it? Reeves says she'll look into easing that burden, but we'll just have to see what that means, all in due course. Over in the US, CPI inflation data was 2.9%, up from 2.7%. Core inflation was 3.1%, and the weekly jobs report showed 263,000 new claims, which was the highest since October 2021. As you'd expect, Trump is still raging at too late Powell, probably hoping that he can still influence the Fed perhaps into a 50 basis point rate cut next week instead of the 25 basis point that is widely expected. The dollar index pulled back to its recent low. Oh, that was close. That was 97.50 yesterday, as positions were adjusted ahead of next week's expected rate cut. And we head towards the weekend from around 135.55 against the dollar, 115.50 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 117.40 on the open this morning. And that's it from me, capping off yet another week. Thank you very much for joining me again. Have a wonderful weekend. Hopefully the weather holds for you. We'll be back again on Monday. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.